So I was asked to do a video and show you guys how to make a refund. So for example, let's start with, let's say you ring up 50 cents, let's say in a grocery, and the customer didn't want the 50 cents or they changed their mind or something. Well, you can just easily click on the error correction, or you can click on the void ticket, and as you can see, if you click on the error correction, the whole thing will go away. But let's say, for example, a guy purchased 50 cents candy or something, and then you cashed it out. So you actually cashed it out 50 cents, and now you're trying to refund it because you didn't want it for some reasons. So what do you do in this case? Okay, so what you do is you first of all go look up for a key called the refund. Right here, that's the refund. We press the refund. As you guys can see at the top, it doesn't say sell anymore, it says refund. Now what you do, you just enter the same amount that you wanted to refund. So for my example is 50 cents. So you press in 50 cents, and then if it's non-tax or whatever, you just press it. And as you can see right here, it says 50 cents as a minus sign. Right here, see? It's between two parentheses, which it means that's the amount you're gonna give back to the customer. So when you're done, let's say you only have 50 cents to refund, you just press the refund, press 50 cents, and then press non-tax, or if it's a taxable, whatever the mistake was. Then at the end, you just cash it out. And now if you go to receipt and see, on the receipt is gonna say refund 50 cents. Let me know guys if you have any more questions.